Okay, so let's continue. Actually, the Loom application has just only 5 minute limit to record or to screen record your screen. So yeah, that's why it was cut. So let's continue doing this. So Hootsuite. So just have to um, so we have already downloaded the graphics. So just have to drag and drop the file here. Then then 7 reasons why social media marketing is. So this is the correct file. Then click open. Then 7 reasons why. So just have to go to the browser, then look for the content. 7 reasons why. So this is um, the content. So what you just have to do is to copy this, copy the introductory part of the content, copy, then just have to paste it. Then to acknowledge the owner of the content, just have to um, read more. Then I use Bitly for to shorten the link because sometimes if we're going to copy this, so um, this is too lengthy for me. So yeah, Bitly. Um, so what you just need to do is to copy the link, then go to Bitly, create, then create, then copy. So go back to the Hootsuite, then paste the URL. Then post to, yeah, just have to select for my Facebook and LinkedIn only. So schedule. There's an issue with your post. Please review highlighted. What's the problem? Oh, invalid time selected. Okay. Schedule and duplicate. Let's choose 19, 10 a.m. Done. Then schedule. Okay, so we chose October 19 instead of October 18 because it has been 10 a.m. So that's why um, it's invalid. So we chose October 19, and I assure you guys that this graphics and the content will be posted on my Facebook and my LinkedIn account. That would be on October 19, Monday, 10 a.m. Okay, so yeah, that's all you need to do. If you are having a lot of posts, then you can schedule it in advance using Hootsuite. Yes, and this is very helpful site. So